up, everybody? Welcome back to Hanging with the House Rights. It's a new week. Got our taxes done. Ready to get turned in to the accountant. We're gonna head out and get a couple loads of some 1-inch clean rock put down at our duplexes this morning. So, and I think this afternoon we will. We got those garage doors in. So Dad said he'd give me a hand after lunch. So I'm gonna take him to lunch, and then we'll see if we can get some garage doors in. I think the youngest is gonna help us out too. So he decided he wanted to skip his nap today and do a little work. So. It's been a minute since I've been out here, so screen says my tires expired, so we're gonna roll across these scales real quick and get weighed in again. The rock pile's frozen out the quarry a little bit, so we got a couple of chunks of ice. We gotta open up the doors on this trailer and get out of the way, and then I'll bring the back over later because I'll bust it up. I'm gonna smooth this rock out anyway. So we'll get these chunks of ice out of here, then head back out for another load. We have made it back. Last load of rock, we're gonna get it spread. The backhoe is not too far from here. I got it sitting next to one of my rentals, so I'm gonna spread this, then go grab the backhoe, and it tailgated pretty good, so it shouldn't take long to smooth this out. So we'll get this spread and keep on trucking. if you guys with a dump trailer do not have a remote, go get you one. Wireless remote makes tailgating a whole lot easier, especially when you got a long truck and the cord won't reach up to your driver's seat. It just makes it so much easier to spread rock on a driveway.
So guys, as you can see, we got the dump trailer unhooked. We're hooked back up to the enclosed trailer. It is colder than I thought I was going to get today. The wind's blowing out of the north, which is going to be blowing right in on those garage doors. So we're going to wait till tomorrow to put those garage doors in. So I'm going to head into town and just kind of get things ready. But I think that's going to be it for this video. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.